We want to head back out to Pleasant Hill where our Elias Johnson is. Elias, do you have an update for us?
Yeah, we just talked to the spokesperson for the city of Pleasant Hill, and they did confirm one person was injured during the storm tonight. They were transported to the hospital. Good news is it's non-life-threatening injuries, but the unfortunate news is that somebody was hurt here tonight. She also said, and we noticed there was a lot of debris scattered throughout the neighborhood. Tomorrow's spring cleanup for the city of Pleasant Hill, so there was a lot of junk. It's their junk days. Stuff was piled up on the fronts of these yards, and of course that's been scattered all throughout the neighborhood. So on top of the new debris from trees and anything else that was blown over or blown off, it's all the stuff that people were trying to get rid of that they're going to have to pick up here. And again, this is Pleasant Hill Boulevard, Oakwood Drive here in Pleasant Hill. This is west of Highway 65. We just ran into Brett McIntyre, a friend of ours, former meteorologist here at 13, now with Polk County Emergency Management. He's going to assess, get his reports, and then hopefully we can catch up with Brett on what the response has been like as far as Polk County Emergency Management. But it seems like all the right people are in the right places doing all the things they need to do right now to try to clean this up. Mid-American is working like crazy to try to get the power lines off the road and back where they should be so that people can get power again tonight. But that's the latest update. Is the reason why there's maybe more debris than normal is people had couches, appliances, things they wanted to get rid of for spring cleaning, and now it's all over the place here. So it looks worse than maybe it really would have been, but that's the situation here in Pleasant Hill, and it's going to be a busy couple days for sure. So we're going to talk to a few more people here. Again, one person injured, treated at the hospital, expected to be fine, non-life-threatening. That is the very latest, but we'll continue talking with folks. The chief of the fire department also expected to catch up with us here in a little bit, Janae. That, again, is the very latest out of Pleasant Hill. Cleanup underway. Spirits are still high, and everybody is still chipping in here at this hour. We'll send it back to you.
All right, thanks, Elias. All hands on deck.